This is my first video here. I didn't want to start with explanations. I wanted to start with a moment. Quiet moments like this say more than words. Life moves fast. Sometimes we forget to pause. Some mornings you wake up already tired. Not just in your body, but somewhere deeper. You try to move, but something holds you down. A weight you can't explain. A tiredness that has no name. There were shoulders you once trusted. People who said, "Lean on me." When you finally did, they disappeared. You told yourself it didn't matter. But something quiet inside you broke. And trust was never the same again. Still, you're here. Thinking about starting over. About standing up again. About saying, "I'm still here." This isn't advice. It's a reminder. You don't rise by denying the fall. This time you rise by keeping a promise to yourself.